Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you link or connect your Calendly account to your Teachable account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Calendly to Teachable anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business selling courses, you know that sometimes the module is going to include a one-on-one or a group session. And by sharing your Calendly with Teachable, your students can actually just go in there and register for a session. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Calendly, here on the left, you're going to click on App Hub. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see a long list of the different apps available, but you want to scroll down until you see the Calendly logo. Go ahead and click on there. All right, once you do that, they're going to give you a little bit of information about Calendly and Teachable, but you want to click on this turquoise button, Install. Okay, next, Calendly is going to open up a browser asking if you want to continue to link your Calendly with Teachable. If so, click on Connect to Calendly. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes back into my Teachable account, and up here on the right, you can see I have a red uninstall button. So now my Calendly is linked into my Teachable. If you need help setting this up in the course, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail, where you can easily click right here, how to use, and they show you how to add a Calendly into one of your course pages. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your Calendly into your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.